All right, good morning, Maryland. Let's take a look at what's going on as we do have a colorful map with the beautiful colors of warmth, right? So we're about 14 degrees warmer this morning in Stevensville when compared to this time yesterday. 18 degrees warmer in Columbia and 19 in Easton. So we are on our way to really break a record. Temperatures are above average this morning, well above average this morning. We're at 50 degrees in Annapolis, Stevensville, more of the same, 48 degrees right now in Easton, and in Chestertown, we're at 47. Columbia's coming in at 48 degrees when we should be at 25 degrees for our low temperatures now, guys. Radar and satellite composite not picking up on a whole lot, but we will continue to move in the rain from the west, already heading towards Hagerstown. And as we go through the rest of this morning, we will start to see some rain in here. I'd say around 8 o'clock this morning, but by this afternoon, kids coming home nice and warm. Let's get a check of that traffic now with Megan Knight.